Hey everyone, I'm Jenn Foster with Elite Online Publishing. If you've ever thought about writing your book, you might be wondering how long is it going to take? Well, today I'm going to be talking about how to streamline your publishing journey. Now, traditional publishers, they can take years, and doing it yourself, sometimes that can take several years. And it's a huge challenge. But if I told you that there was a way to get your book written, published, and marketed faster, that's what we do here at Elite Online Publishing. And today I'm going to show you how to do that. So, what we do here at Elite Online Publishing is we streamline the entire publishing journey from the moment you decide to write a book until the day that it hits the shelves and hits all of the online stores. We're here with you every step of the way. And how we help you save time and reach your goals faster are first, we help you organize and create your book. So we have a VIP day where we actually go through a writing plan. We go through your chapter outline. We know exactly what your book's going to be about. We even do a little title brainstorming session and go over your title and your subtitle because both of those have to be keyword loaded because Amazon is a search engine. We want people to be able to find your book, right? So we help you organize that, and our expert team of coaches and editors work closely with you to turn your thoughts into a polished manuscript. And you don't have to do it alone because we're here to guide you through the process. We've been doing this for several years, almost 10 years next year. I'm really excited for that feat that we've accomplished for 10 years in business. So we can help you get that done. So the next step, of course, would be moving on after you've written the book to the the professional editing and design step. So traditional publishing, this can take a long time, right? It can take months and months. But with our streamlined approach, then you'll get your manuscript professionally edited. So we have a team of editors, a team of ghostwriters, and we help you to pick the right one so that you have a one-on-one conversation with them. Because I believe that your editor and you should be synced together. If there's a third party in the mix and it's a three-way conversation, it's easy to get things all messed up. So it should be a one-on-one conversation with the editor and the author. So I think that's really important because you want your book to read really well and you want it to be edited professionally. So once your book is edited and it's ready to go out to the world, this is where most people struggle, right? So you want to make sure that you have a marketing plan. Make sure you know how you're going to execute the book launch, right? And we handle this all for you. So from the pre-launch buzz to the ongoing promotion, we have a tailored marketing plan that we go over a strategic marketing session with you and help you to understand who your right audience is, how we can, execute the plan and make sure that you get the sales that you want and to reach your goals. Because if you don't have a plan, then you're never going to reach your goals because you don't know what those goals are, right? So the best part is we handle everything for you. We focus on what's important to you and your message so we can get it out to the world. So traditional publishers usually take around 18 months to 2 years to get your book out. And self-publishing, if you're doing it and trying to figure it all out on your own, that can take many years. I have an author that we might be publishing his book. I think it's going to come out next year, but he has been writing his book for 7 years. So I talked to him 7 years ago and he said he was almost finished with it. And now I'm talking to him, it's 7 years later, and he says he's still finishing up the last few chapters. So, I mean, it can take you forever. And he was planning on writing it and publishing it himself. And so far, he's still just refining and editing. So, self publishing can be hard to figure out. He says he's been trying to figure it out and it's still not done because other things in your life get in the way, right? Might have a full time job. You might have children. You might have, a spouse that takes over your time. You might like to travel. So, figuring it all out on your own can take a long time. But if you work with us, we've done it already, then you can have your book out in fraction of the time because we'll just have it out for you. So don't let the publishing process slow you down. We're here to streamline the journey for you and we can help you publish it and market it. So we can get it out with a bestseller campaign. We love helping people hit #1 on Amazon, and you can contact us at Elite Online Publishing today because we would love to help you get your book to #1 on Amazon. And we also have done Wall Street Journal and USA Today as well. Contact us at eliteonlinepublishing.com. Just fill out that author submission button and we can help you get started. Talk to you soon.